Now we are going to create our organizational unit by using the Active Directory Administrative Center tool. First, go and open the Start menu. Click on the Active Directory Administrative Center tool. The Active Directory Administrative Center tool looks pretty different from the Active Directory users and computers. There are mainly two views, the list view and the tree view. I prefer to use the tree view so that I can have the same layout I am used to in Active Directory Users and Computers tool. But before creating the organizational unit, let's take a look at the containers and organizational units icons shapes, which are different from those in Active Directory Users and Computers. The built-in container is represented by a gray folder, while the domain controller's organizational unit is represented by the same gray folder plus this tiny square in the above corner. Now let's create our IT organizational unit. I will right-click on the corp container, go to New, and click on Organizational Unit. The displayed window contains many fields to fill out, but not all of them are mandatory. Only the names field is mandatory. I will type the organizational unit name, IT. Now it can be interesting to enter complementary information, such as address. For example, I can indicate the address of our IT department. Algiers for the city, the zip code, and the country. I can also enter a description. IT, department, organizational unit. And here we have the Protect from Accidental Deletion checkbox. As best practice, always keep it checked. In Managed by Zone, you can indicate the administrator that's responsible for managing this organizational unit. Just click on the Edit button. Let's say I will delegate administration to our good guy. When done, click OK. The IT organizational unit is now created. If you click on it, you will see in the summary pane the complementary information we have filled. Now that we have our first organizational unit created, let's move a user to it. The last time I have created two users inside the default users containers, the bad boy and the good guy users. I will move this one under the IT organizational unit. I will right-click and select Move. In the Move window, I will just select the IT organizational unit and click OK. Let's check now. Yes, the user has been moved. That's it for this lecture. Thank you for watching.